so far down there.
Look, Ma, no hands.
Crazy.
Oh,
Be silly.
I'm videoing.
Yeah.
oh, we're gonna die.
Is that where we're going? Look!
Oh, there's some big rocks here.
You got on a dirt bike too, these roads. Just go, put the back wheel out, power on it.
Until you meet a patrol coming the other way with a big bull bar.
Yeah. I done that through the tank tracks at Darra and Waco where the army used to train. And ran into a tank on the road and I'm on my bull taco. The tank's coming straight at me. So I went off the road into the bush. Next minute all these army dudes started standing up in the bush and the long grass.
Yeah, oh shit.
And they're all like this, you know.
I didn't go, oh, you're right there, mate.
Get out of here, you know, and I'm trying to dodge the bloody tank coming along the road, and then I've got all these army guys hiding in the bushes.
Yeah, you could break their cover.
You're a naughty boy.
That was a very, very naughty boy, bro.
Yeah. You wonder why
Naughty boy, bro.
you landed up in hospital.
The old bull
With
taco,
broken
right?
leg.
You don't see those anymore.
Yeah.
What if they still make them?
Oh, okay. Cliff
What are you
na
talking
siya.
about?
Yeah, something like that. 370. I think it was a 370 bull taco.
High cliff down there.
It's got some grunt, two-stroke.
Oh yeah.
Gravity's kind of like this, isn't it?
The ignition was a pain
Yeah,
in the
in
arse.
one of the road.
Points?
Yeah.
Points and
Oo, to Grandview from
I
Kuan.
converted the points to
Di ba maguna ka
CDI
kalsada?
ignition.
Naay katong inaanigid siya.
But ours is
It was
worse.
never the same after that.
Yeah, it was shit. It was well,
Oh
like,
yeah, the noisy.
Ah,
It
okay,
was
so
so
it's just
noisy.
here. Oh.
Pero panaog ka.
Ooh,
Mag-walk ka.
my love.
Yep. Yeah, babe, just here.
What's that?
Yeah.
We're here.
So ankles are muddy themselves.
Hello,
Hi.
we are at Davis Creek Infinity Pool.
But not this in here, it's in that side there, so we're going in there. Huh? Kasaluman? Oh. There's a lot of big rocks around here. It's full of big rocks. Off we go. We're gonna go. Are you going for a swim?
No.
You're not going for a swim. Papa's going for a swim.
Can I take a photo?
We're going to the swimming hole.
Another
Another swimming hole.
369 volts.
circuit track. So we could have walked there for...
Pa. Dito check ka pa. Say oo. Pa say oo.
What do you got there, bro?
I got a piece of a mask so I can hide in the bush like a tree. You can't find me. I'm part of a tree. I'm part of Mother Nature.
What is it?
Just sat on a tree.
Probably from this one because it's red. I get scared of bugs. I am so scared of the water. It's shy stuff. You know what that means? It's the S word yeah, shy stuff. That's the S word.
Here we are. We've already been to the waterfall. Now we're here in the swimming hole. Of course, no camping in here. Just swimming. Woohoo! Yay! Hello, bye-bye! Heart attack si Lindy. Poor Lindy ka heart attack. Huh? Shopping?
Yeah, shopping. Yeah, every Thursday. Oh? Yeah, can we?
Thursday, tomorrow is?
Yeah.
Rocks fairly smooth.
It's Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday. Okay.
Sabi did the
It's
same
Wednesday
thing.
today, Thursday tomorrow.
Yes, I know
And
She went right in the water.
the towel was completely saturated.
Well, what if I can have a sleepover with Sabby's? Paghilom dyan Mia.
paghilom dyan Mia. Automatic man.
Yeah. I wish your mom says that. My mom. So,
According on. Kain taste ba?
utot ako! Ew. No, where is Cabra? I am well ahead soon, you know? Where is Cabra? Oh, there! Kangaroo!
But kangaroos.
Kangaroo! Where?
Jumping to the left. Have a look this side. Slow down, love.
Everybody look to the left.
Oh, elephant!
Elephant!
Lily got shocked. She also screamed, oh, elephant!
I really thought that there's an elephant really crossing.
There's an elephant's ass.
Oh, dear.